Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. A family and community are in mourning this evening following the death of a 15-year-old girl who was hit by a motor vehicle in St. Thomas. The victim is a student of Holy Childhood High in St. Andrew. The driver, a 19-year-old mechanic, is now being investigated. Ramarda Lyons has details.
3 days before Christmas, and every ounce of joy has been ripped from this family. They're left with only tears and pain.
Halima is everything to me. She's my friend. She's everything. God has been keeping me, but I know I'm gonna get through this.
Her daughter, 15-year-old Alima Quarry, was hit by a vehicle along the Knightsville Main Road in the vicinity of the Yallas Baptist Church in St. Thomas. Alima was on her way to church Saturday afternoon. She was rushed to the Princess Margaret Hospital and then transferred to a medical facility in Kingston where she died.
Halima is a promising child. She's so brilliant. At church, at school, she's on the basketball team. And she was doing well, and she loved playing basketball. She loved school. And she loved church.
Miss Stephen was at work and last communicated with Alima through messages.
She texted me and said she was leaving. I said, Mom, I'm leaving home now. And I said, okay, baby.
She then got a call. Her daughter was at the hospital.
I went straight from her to the hospital. Unfortunately, went to Princess Margaret and they transferred her to Kingston Public Hospital. I was there for the whole time. When I was there, they couldn't feel any heartbeat. And I asked the doctor and the nurse, is she gone? They didn't want to say anything. I said, I know.
When her stepfather arrived,
they call me and I see what's happening. She get a chop on her left leg, which the bumper of the car caused that, and a big chop on her head and on her right hand.
No details of the incident are a source of great pain for the family. It's said that when Alima got off the taxi she was traveling in,
she was crossing the road. A vehicle stopped to let her cross, and the next vehicle come around, speeding, and hit her down. She went up in the air and she hit her head. From then, nothing.
The driver was initially arrested and charged for several traffic offenses, including not having a driver's license and driving without insurance. He was released on station bail.
I said, officer, that's it? You just charge him for no license and get bail?
But following Alima's death, the police upgraded their investigation to a case of causing death by dangerous driving. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.
The great